All-party Hurriyat Conference senior leader Mirwais Umar Farooq has expressed concern over the killing of two youth in occupied Kashmir. In Baramulla, truck driver Wasim Ahmed was shot dead after the Indian troops opened fire on his vehicle at the Sangrama Chowk on Wednesday night. And in Kachua, a youth, Makhan Deen, was arrested in the Bilawar area on the pretext of being working with a pro-freedom activist and was later tortured to death in custody on Thursday. 5 Kashmiri youth were martyred in an explosion in the Poonch district. The 5 persons were killed in a landmine blast in the Battal area of the district. All parties Hurriyat Conference has appealed the people of occupied Kashmir to observe complete shutdown on February 11th to memorize the great son of the soil, Muhammad Maqbool Butt, and other martyrs of the territory. India had hanged prominent liberation leader Muhammad Maqbool Butt in New Delhi's Tihar jail on 11 February 1984 and Muhammad Afzal Guru on the same jail on the 9th February 2013. Their bodies remain buried in the premises of the jail. An Indian junior commissioned officer has committed suicide in the Poonch district. The JCO committed suicide by shooting himself with his service rifle in the Mender area of the district. Villagers who had been housed in one of the isolation facilities following the death of the 17 people due to unexplained illness in the Badhal village of the Rajouri district held a protest demanding they be allowed to return to their hamlet. Chief Minister of Occupied Kashmir Umar Abdullah has expressed concern over the recent killings in the Kachua and the Baramulla. In a post on the microblogging platform X said, "I have seen the reports of excessive use of the force and the harassment of Makhan Deen in the police custody in Bilawar leading to his suicide and the death of the Wasim Ahmed Mullah shot by the army." Congress President in occupied Kashmir Tariq Hamid Karra has criticized the Indian government over killings in the Kachua and the North Kashmir.